Welcome students to my new channel English Gallery.
Hello and welcome students. Today I give you introduction of new syllabus 12th English textbook. तर मग चला बघूया नवीन सिलेबस कसा आहे तो. Okay students, our new syllabus is divided into 4 sections. आपला हा नवीन सिलेबस हा 4 सेक्शन्समध्ये डिवाइड केलेला आहे. त्याच्यातनं पहिला सेक्शन जो आहे सेक्शन 1 इज प्रोज. इन प्रोज देर इज 8 कंटेंट्स आर गिवन. 1.1 an astrologer's day from R.K. Narayan. 1.2 on saying please from Alfred George. 1.3 the cock and the anthem from O. Henry. 1.4 is a big data, big insight. This is the informative lesson. 1.5 the new dress from Virginia Woolf. 1.6 into the wild from Kiran Purandare. 1.7 is why we travel from Siddharth Iyer. 1.8 voyaging towards excellence from Achyut Gudbole. Here first section is complete, prose section. Now there is a second section. Section 2 is a poetry. 2.1 song of the open road from Walt Whitman. 2.2 Indian waivers from Sarojini Naidu. 2.3 the Inchep Rock from Robert Southey. 2.4 have you earned your tomorrow from Edgar Guest. 2.5 father returning home from Dilip Chitre. 2.6 money William Davis. 2.7 she walks in beauty George Byron. 2.8 small towns and rivers from Memang Dai. Here complete section 2 poetry. Now there is a section 3 writing skill. In writing skill there is a 6 content are given. 3.1 summary writing. 3.2 do school really kill creativity? Mind mapping. Actually this is a new topic is given and it is really interesting. 3.3 is note making. 3.4 statement of purpose. 3.5 drafting a virtual message, and 3.6 is a group discussion. Now this is the last section of our new syllabus. Section 4 is a genre drama. In this section there are 4 contents are given. 4.1 history of novel. 4.2 to serve with love from E.R. Braithwaite. 4.3 around the world in 80 days from Julius Verne. 4.4 the sign of 4 Sir Arthur Doyle. So friends, here we complete our introduction.